Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2025 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic climate control, cargo net, cargo organizer, carpeted floor mats, lumbar support, first aid kit, cargo tray. Feel a rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.